Once you cross this world and into that unconscious state, you will vividly be present in everything you see. Closer and closer you go.
Are we ready for a Google Glass representation in late 2022 and enter big style the 2023 smart glasses wear? Well, let's find out. These are the SUPERHEXA Vision Smart AR glasses with 15 times of optical zoom. And my first time actually reviewing some kind of smart glasses wear with camera incorporated on my channel. So let's find out what's the fuss about them. If you remember, 10 years ago, it was 2013, well, almost 10 years ago, Google Glass put out their smart glasses. And they were way ahead of time because the smartphone market was just taking off and they were actually really in front of any need for a smart glasses use. Well, today, 10 years later, we might actually be on the right time and spot to actually make this really work and not look really weird while walking around. Now we have the SUPERHEXA entering this new smart glasses wear. Okay, so what are the main functions of these smart glasses? Well, firstly, you can record video, take a photo. Record video up to 5 times zoom and take a photo with up to 15 times zoom. Then you can get a flashback of 10 seconds of a pre-recorded video and get a translation automatically while another person speaks. You'll get the translation straight on your smart glasses OLED screen. Okay, so let's get straight to the design and features. The shell of the glasses are made out of plastic with rubber design and ear side nose holder. In front, dual camera with mains and zoom camera. On the right side, the Sony Micro OLED display with 1800 nits. On the back side you'll find the standby and power button, and on the bottom there is also the charging port. You will get the glasses presented in really great softshell carrying case with a quick release sun frame, magnetic charger cable and USB-C to USB-A adapter. Obviously, the smart glasses are designed to be paired with a smartphone app, and it's called the SUPERHEXA, and there you will be able to customize all the settings and features of the SUPERHEXA Vision. The smart glasses are operated in a swipe fingertip manner on the right side of the earpiece, with some simple controls. The zooming function front to back to get a maximum 50 times zoom, down swipe to switch from photo to video, and double tap fingers to enter the menu system. And you can choose the camera, flashback and voice translation. Yes, it was really hard to film this small tiny OLED screen because it's designed to be in front of your eye, so I have to use an macro lens and get the framing just straight to catch the OLED screen. It's really difficult for a camera to catch up the screen, but it's really easy and simple to fine-tune your eye and get a clear view of the screen. There should be no problems adjusting the OLED screen to your eye that Mother Nature designed, just like my polished head that also Mother Nature designed. Inside the SUPERHEXA app you will be able to tune the settings like max clip duration, wide angle electronic image stabilization, mic noise reduction, photo ratio, display brightness, zooming function and camera wireless connection. The camera VLAN connection is needed if you want to use the voice translation function with your glasses, and at this time of filming it's still in beta and you have some limited amount of languages to choose: English, Hindi, Spanish, French, Thai, Portuguese, German, Russian and Italian. Let's have a test with it. As I'm an Italian speaker, I was speaking in Italian and got it translated to English.
Buongiorno signori, benvenuti, potete sedervi. Oggi sarà una giornata bellissima. Dopodomani andiamo a casa.
And generally 90 to 95% I got the translation right. And that's actually a great thing. If you're going and standing right up to another person speaking, you will understand basically all the context. Pretty good. Let's get to the camera recording and photos. Looking at the record files, I am seeing a max resolution of Full HD 30 frames per second, an image resolution of 4800 by 2298. The maximum zoom while I was trying to frame my frame while he was playing is 5 times in video mode. And in the image quality, well, don't expect much results of more than usable videos. The 15 times zoom is mostly out of necessity and if you want to have to see something really far. The Full HD video quality is mediocre, with the image stabilization having trouble to actually stabilize the footage. Don't get me wrong, you will be able to get home footage videos and get the footage. But for sure every middle range smartphone of today outperforms both cameras, because the expectations today are much higher than products like Google Glass that was 10 years ago. I see here a lot of space for improvement. You will be able to record memories with these if you need them. I would also note that the horizon fixing in videos should be also implemented in some new software updates, so the footage is less distracting when watched. And there will be also mostly beta tester for the future software implementations and updates. That said, there is nothing to stop you to support this great reinvented idea. The first link in the description will guide you straight to the Indiegogo page and you can order these smart glasses right now. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, I will be happy to answer to all of them. Until my next one, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bearing icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.